All right. Hello again, everyone. Now that you have the bundle files in the appropriate location, you have the shiphalls.xml edited just fine. You'll want to open up the game. The game starting and not crashing is always a good sign, like I mentioned in one of the previous videos. If there's any formatting issues or the shiphall ID isn't unique, the game will crash. So those are some good first things to check if you're getting crashes. Um, uh, Especially if the game launches without your modded ship added to shiphalls. The assets can be in the bundle and not be called by the shiphalls, and it'll still load as normal. I'm in kind of the art mode, which is kind of what we use for testing. I'm not sure if that mode is going to be available for release. If it is, you just add /art to the end of a shortcut that points to the executable, and it'll load up the shiphalls underscore art.xml file. And this case has basically everything. There has some stuff left over from development, like some test ships down here. But what we want is this escort here. And if you notice, I'm going to add in a few of these engines. It's actually in the right place. It used to be that you had to manually edit the ship model, well, not edit, but actually delete it to get it to regenerate. And just in case you're having problems with that auto updating, this is the location, shiphall metadata ships, and then whatever package you're working on. And you'd want to delete whatever ship you're working on. You can just do the whole folder if you're not sure. It's going to be a little weird because I'm using the art one, and these are all kind of the production ones. But you'll, like I said, it's okay to delete the whole folder. If you regenerate a whole kind of section, it's going to take longer to start the game the first time, sometimes by a considerable amount, and the game can crash during that time. It's I've noticed when you do a lot of them, especially if you just regenerate all of the shiphall metadata, it'll almost certainly kind of crash while it does that. Um, I'm guessing it kind of times out or something like that, but it's not a huge deal. You just reopen the game and everything should generate fine. But as sort of final checks you want to do is just to make sure all your components are showing up how you expect them to. Something I didn't mention in the previous videos is the vertical launcher assets. They don't have this the fairing. You see the little support mesh there around the weapon. It doesn't come with those, so you'll either have to design those modules with that in mind, or just kind of have the mesh for these fairings or whatever you want to call them, and build the vertical launcher mesh on there. But you'll just want to, like I said, go in, check, make sure all the mounts are doing what they're supposed to when you switch them around, and assuming everything is acting like it should, you're ready to go. That's basically the whole process. Thank you for watching all these videos, and I look forward to the stuff your guys are going to make.